Using Excel to create a trend line. Column 1 is DC volts. Column 2 is AC amps. The trend line for this data will be the best least squares fit, which will be shown on an XY graph. The x-axis will have the DC volts, that's column 1. The y-axis will have the AC amps, that's column 2. The graph is a plot of the 6 data points. The XY relationship is linear, except that point 3 does not fit. Point 3 is called an outlier, which could be caused by some measurement error. Outliers should be removed. The outlier has been removed, and the trend line has been added. This trend line is the equation of the line that passes through the points. Notice the x-axis label and the y-axis label and the graph title. Also notice no unnecessary white space around the graph. All of these features are expected in a professional graph. Given now are instructions for making this professional graph or chart along with the trend line. Select the data, click Insert, select Scatter Chart. This is the scatter chart. Right-click on a data point, select Add Trend Line, click on Linear, select Display Trend Line on Chart, notice that the third data point is an outlier because it's inconsistent with the others. The outlier data point is discarded. The trend line is automatically updated. Eliminate the white space. Right-click a number on the x-axis. Select Format Axis. Set minimum equals 1 and maximum equals 6. Right-click a number on the y-axis. Select Format Axis. Enter minimum and maximum values that eliminate the unnecessary white space beyond the data limits. In this example, minimum equals 2 and maximum equals 16 would be appropriate. Enter chart title, x-axis label, and y-axis label. Click on Chart Tools, Design. Select Add Chart Element. Select Chart Title and Axis Titles. The final presentation contains the data and a professional plot of the data and a trend line. Use the snipping tool to select only this much of the total page. And copy it to MS Paint or MS Word for the final presentation.